Rosemary is a fragrant herb. It has needle-like leaves and a lovely aroma. For centuries, people have valued rosemary. It has been used in medicine and cooking. Ancient cultures used rosemary in ceremonies. They believed it had special powers. Today, we know rosemary has many health benefits. It is packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants protect our bodies from damage. You can use rosemary fresh or dried. It adds a wonderful flavor to many dishes. Rosemary has been studied for its effects on the brain. Some studies show it can improve memory. It may even help with cognitive function in Alzheimer's disease. Rosemary also has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation in the body. Studies have shown rosemary may help with digestion. It may also relieve muscle pain. More research is needed to confirm these benefits. However, the early findings are promising. Rosemary is a good source of vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, which is important for vision. It also contains vitamin C, an antioxidant. Rosemary provides iron, which is essential for healthy blood. Furthermore, it contains calcium for strong bones. Even in small amounts, rosemary packs a nutritional punch. This makes it a healthy addition to any diet. You can add it to soups, stews, and sauces. It also tastes great with roasted vegetables and meats. Adding rosemary to your diet is easy. You can use fresh or dried rosemary sprigs. Fresh rosemary has a stronger flavor. Use it sparingly at first. You can always add more to taste. Rosemary is delicious with chicken and lamb. It also pairs well with potatoes and other root vegetables. Try adding a sprig of rosemary to your next pot of soup. You can also make rosemary tea. Simply steep a few sprigs in hot water. Rosemary is generally safe for consumption. However, it's best to start with small amounts. This is especially important if you are pregnant or have a medical condition. If you have any concerns, talk to your doctor. Enjoy the flavor and health benefits of rosemary.